Jeff again. Just thinking, we've got to make some music as well as doing exercises and learning how to use your pinkies. The idea is that they actually do something. So what I thought of, quick bit of here, should take a minute and a bit. Fly Me to the Moon by good old Frankie. Right, we start off with the C with this hand, like that, and with this hand we play an A minor, or like that if you want, which is an A, a C and a D. And here we play another C, so we're right. Now what happens is we press this and that all at once, and then we just, and then as we reach this last key, we move up to the D, right? And then we go up again, miss one, and then we come up again, but not all the way. So now we're on the G, and then we go up to the F. Right, now that'll do for now. So it's not complicated. What we're doing is we're doing this, we jump up, we jump back, and we jump up again. And with this hand it's pretty much straightforward, right? Right, that'll do, learn that. See if you can get it cracked. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye.